I live about a 10-minute drive away from where I work. In the mornings or the evenings, when I can just sail past this on my comfy bike, put my power assist on to get up a little bit of a hill like this, it's just amazing.
In the mornings, the town centre is just gridlock, so it takes my wife twice as long to drive as it does for me to go on the bike.
Short commute to work. Journeys are only about 25 minutes. It really takes the frustration of waiting at bus stops away or being on a crowded tube, which is punishingly boring and frustrating.
Even though I've got these conditions that are debilitating, I can still ride. I can ride as far as I want to go. I can do all the things that I used to do. I can get all of the sensations that I used to get with the help of an e-bike.
I'm trying to get fit, you see, because I'm trying to lose weight and just get fit because I've got out of it. And I just literally put it on when I get towards a hill and then turn it off again when I get to the top.
So I've already felt the benefits physically. I'm feeling a lot healthier. My mental health is improved, my appetite's improved because I'm needing to eat more to keep up. And I think the nice thing as well is that even though it's an electric bike, you don't have to use that. So you still get those benefits of just using a pure bicycle.
It's a bit of exercise, not so much that I build up a sweat getting into work, so it means I don't have to wash and change or have a shower by the time I get in. And yes, it's not completely free of exercise value. So yes, it's a good balance really between those two.
If I am driving my usual commute, I'm just on those straight roads. But on the bike, I can take those little turn-offs, and I've found little adventures myself within the city that I already know.
It just makes you realise I could have done this underground, but I was in fresh air in the greatest city in the world. And it's kind of emotionally just one of the most incredible things that's happened to me in my adult life, just having a bike again.
You know, being a dad of 2 young kids, I don't get that many chances to exercise, so being able to do this every morning is just my little injection of a bit of exercise, especially when I get to London and I can try and beat all the other bikes with this electric bike. It's good fun.